Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at the Cosmos coin. We are seeing a really strong downside pressure on the daily time frame, which is breaking one of the major support areas. And as you can see, if we zoom out, the condition of the Cosmos coin is not in the best shape as of now. So after this doomsday dip, we've been just seeing the downside pressure, slight correction, again pressure, smaller correction, and so on. Basically, we've been forming, let's take this as higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and lower high. And as of now, we're going to focus on much smaller time frames on this whole playing setup here. So let's wait until this loads. What we see two things. First of all, really strong pressure, much stronger pressure than the previous times we had near this zone. So for example, going to extend this whole zone to show you the previous touches to this zone. A quick liquid grab, some kind of accumulation here, and now just strong pressure from the sellers. So the game plan is really simple. We are going to go with this kind of setup with the targets being, let's going to set it here. Let's take the other ones. So 1, 2, and 3. Three targets are going to be, the major target is going to be $1.5. The secondary target would be 1.55, and the first one would be 1.6. So wait, and 1.55. So this is the overall game plan that we are seeing as of now. The risk and reward ratio is approximately, if we hit the first target, it would be like 1 to 1.25, which is not the best. But as the pressure is growing here, the only solution as of now is to just go and sweep the lower low liquidities here. So there is nothing much more to say on the Cosmos coin. There is no reason for this coin to, as of now, push to the higher zones, because if we go again to the bigger time frames, we see that as we are hitting the lower low zones, there is not much of a reason for us to bounce. And even if there was any kind of reason, then reaching this major support zone as it is right now, we should have seen some kind of quick buy side volume. For example, similar to this zone here, this was basically the old major support zone. So each time we touched the zone, we had a strong bounce forming here. But as of now, we don't see any kind of strong bounces. So the only logical solution for us is just to keep falling and falling and falling to the lower zones. Now, if we see by some reason a reversal, then going to go for not big of a movement to the upper zones, but we might go and sweep this area here, which is 1.9, and also this area here, which is like $2. But this would be only allowable if we see again some kind of this momentum here. As of now, we are getting ready for the short position, and that's what you also should be doing. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you tomorrow.